Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to check COP. First step, in Google need to type in search box Telangana Bar Council.org. If advocates are from other state, the procedure is the same for them, except the difference is they need to replace Telangana with their state name. For example, if they are from Andhra Pradesh, then they need to type Andhra Pradesh Bar Council.org. This process of searching applicable to all other states. Then next step is to click on search. It will take us to new High Court of Telangana State Bar Council page. At the top right side, 3 dashes are there. Just click on it. Here we will find 3 to 4 options. We need to choose Bar Council. At right side on this arrow, just need to click. Once we click, we'll find several more options. We need to choose only enrollment because our concern in this video to search for COP. So click on this right side arrow. Scroll up. Here we find 3 more options. And advocates want to search his enrollment number with his name. They can search not only for him or her but also for other advocates. And in second option, advocate can search COP details and other details with his or her enrollment number. Third option can search with the Bar Association name. I recommend either to search your COP detail with your name or with enrollment number. For instance, if we choose this second option, search by enrollment name, then click on it, it will take us to the new page. Over here in enrollment number, we can type enrollment number and randomly, for example, I am typing one enroll number over here. TS stand for Telangana states. Let's take a moment. I have chosen, this is randomly I am choosing 2018 and need to click on find details after typing enrollment number. Once we click, it will take us to the view enrollment details, enrollment number. Here is the detail we'll find. So this is the advocate COP details. In this column we can see the advocate details where he opt to apply for, and here this advocate is practicing in Warangal, and that's why, and he opt for COP in Warangal, that's why it's showing as Warangal. This is the detail with the name, how to with enrollment number, how to check COP detail. Now we'll go for second option. The process is the same. The only difference is enrollment by name. Only difference is in first option, in like we choose second one and we wrote over there enrollment number, and in this option we can search COP detail with advocate our names, or if we can search for other advocates. let's take for a moment. Randomly I am typing my friend name Venkat. I want to Venkat. I want to search his details. I don't know his full name. Just I'm typing Venkat. So this randomly. This is I don't know him. So I'm just for tutorial purpose. I am just using this name. And look at here. After typing the name, need to click on Find Details. Click on Find Details. Then we'll find this page, and I don't know his full name. I just randomly mention Venkat, and see here with the Venkat name, all the advocate list who are practicing in Telangana, okay, their names are reflecting here. And in first page, if I didn't find, then we need to go for this one, second page, to search. In second page, after clicking again, if we do not find his name, then we need to go for third and then fourth. This is the process. And if we do not want to use this 1 2 3 4 option, so the simple process is, in one page, if you want, in one page 10 advocates names is showing. If we do not want to search in one page more than 10 names, if we want to search more than 10 names, then click on this show entry over here. After clicking on 10, we'll find here options. Then if we select 100, means in first page 100 advocate names will appear. If we scroll down, you will find over here. And then, for example, randomly I am choosing any one advocate name. For example, I want to check for this advocate. So here it is his name. I am clicking on it. The page won't open. If I am clicking on this 10/10/2018, will not open. So what we need to do is, we need to click on enrollment number. Once we click over here, so see, we'll find his details. And for this advocate, where he is practicing in City Civil Court, this is the COP details. City Civil Court practicing live paid. This he offer to cast his vote, or he want to submit COP for City Civil Court. So all will reflect over here. Now the question arises, if any advocate already applied and he want to search his details, or if any advocate didn't apply till yet and want to search his or her details, the procedure is the same. Only the difference is, here in this column, his or her details won't appear. It shows blank. BLANK. That's it. And if you want to check, already applied but still want to know what is the status, so every time we advocates need to update this one, need to search with the same options, with the same guideline, with the same procedure, which is shown in this video. And once you start this process, it won't look complicated or difficult. And in case if you get any confusion, just pause over there and watch and practice. Watch and fill the details and continue your checking. Documents required for applying COP are mentioned here. As per the Bar Council Certificate Rules and Practice Verification 2015, Bar Council of the State of Telangana, Hyderabad issued the guidelines. Number 1. The documents to be attached as column number 1 to 3. What are these documents? We'll discuss above. We'll discuss after a few minutes. Before to that, this document, enrollment certificate, is the primary document need to attach. This is the SSC certificate, intermediate certificate. This is the degree certificate 3 plus or 5 years, and law provisional certificate issued by the college. One more passport size photograph in robes, which this is passport's size photograph one, and proof of payment of a sum of rupees 750. This is the challan we need to pay at SBI bank, and this bank is situated at first floor in bar council office. It is very easy for them. And about this one, these two paragraphs. In first paragraph, it is mentioned that advocates who practice 5 years, from more than 5 years, if they are practicing for them, so they need to enclose 5 wakalatnama, name of a memo of appearance, cause list copy which can be ascertained from the online site from City Civil Code, Nampalli Court over there, judgment or order copies, established that he she practice at 5 years in case certificate is obtained from the member Bar Council of Telangana. This is for the advocates who are practicing from 5 years. This is applicable to them. And about this one, this is applicable to the advocates who are practicing in firm or company or any private organization. For them, they has to get the certificate from their employer stating that the advocate is working or practicing with them or doing freelancing with them from which time till present. So they need to get a certificate by attesting from their employer with form registration copy. And now we'll check what are this column number 1 and 3, 1 to 3. Number 1, this is the column number 1, form A. This is the issuance of certificate practice. It is already printed. Advocates need to worry about this, just need to fill up the details like here enrollment number, date of enrollment, and advocate full name, father name, present, where he is staying, and from which university he got admission, year of passing, and graduated from which. All the details will be ascertained and to be mentioned here from the certificates. This is the form number 1. Thereafter need to sign here and need to write place and Hyderabad manually with hands. And so coming to second number 1, declaration. This is the declaration form advocates are giving to the bar council by saying that by saying they are intend to cast their vote in respective bar association. For example, if they are opting to COP for City Civil Court or for Nampalli Court or Rangareddy Court or High Court or any other courts in Telangana, so they need to give declaration that they would like to cast their vote only in their respective bar association. And to establish that they are practicing in that respective bar association, they must get certificate which is mentioned in form number A, column number 3, certificate. In this certificate, the same thing, that this certificate is printed one. We need to just fill this blank like our name, son of, daughter of, and thereafter, after fulfilling this one, the general secretary of the respective bar association, they need to put his signature and stamp over here. As well, the president need to put his signature and stamp over here. So for getting this attestation from respective bar association, either from both general secretary and president, the advocate must register over there in their respective bar association. They need to obtain either general membership or life membership. Then only the certificate will be endorsed by respective bar association certificate president and secretary. So I hope this about this application form PDF file is clear now. In case if any doubts are there, just go through the video once again and fill the details accordingly. And this is not complicated, it's very easy. Only the method how to verify, how to check. The most of the advocates are not aware. To make them aware, this by this video is very helpful for them. And the most important thing I forget to inform about this paying this challan. Okay, in first floor need to make payment and need to obtain the acknowledgement from the bank and enclose along with this form all the details. And if you like this video and to help to our advocate brother fraternity advocates, please kindly share this video with them and forward in all the groups. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.